In this video, I wanted to show you how to do data validation on Google Sheets. So for example, if you're building a worksheet and you need a drop-down list, so to use a plain example, you have one column and the field is driver's license, so you need to say either yes, no, or unknown. What you normally do, if you want this to populate or pre-populate without the end user entering that manually. So normally you go to on the fringe or on the outside where it's not visible, and you type in the fields or the data that you want. So for example, we want yes, no, and unknown. Okay. Then you go to format. Sorry, you go to data and data validation. So under the cell range, you click the cells where you want the data to go into. Okay, hit OK. And then for the criteria, so what you want to input, you click on that. And then you just hover over the predetermined data that you've already entered. Hit that OK. And everything else should be fine. You can leave, I will list it, list from a range. That's what you want. Hit save. And now you see that it's populated those fields. So now the user just clicks on yes, and then you click on no, or you click on unknown. And again, this is just one example, driver's license, yes, no, unknown. You can make it pre-populate whatever you want, and you can build a very nice, clean looking worksheet to track training or track whatever you want. And the user has to do less typing and just clicks, and it makes it easier when it comes down to filtering for the data. Okay, hopefully you find this useful. Thank you.